First off, I want to say happy Father's Day to everybody. We're going to be cooking a 5-meat red beans and rice. Check it out. First, you want to get your ham hocks, smoked ham hocks. Get your Earl Campbell sausage or whatever kind of sausage you want. Get your smoked turkey necks. Get you some pigtails, or you can get pig feet. One of the two though. And you want to get you some tripe. Now you can use beef tripe or pork tripe. Get your onion and bell pepper. Get you some minced garlic, or you can chop up your garlic. Get your parsley flakes. Get you some Tony Sassery, or you can get your Slap Your Mama or whatever else you want to use. Go and get you 2 packs of that New Orleans kidney beans. Put it in a good big nice size pot. Wash them beans. Don't just trust whatever beans come out the pack. You gotta wash them. Add some hot water and don't wash the beans. Yeah. Now you ain't gotta use your hands trying to make yourself look like a chef. You can use a spoon. Just go and stir them up real good. Just like that, and they'll be okay. Then go and strain that water out. Now you can add all your meats. But don't add that sausage. That's the last thing you're gonna add to these beans. And that's when the beans and everything else is done. So don't add that pig feet or pigtail, the tripe, the smoked turkey necks, the ham hocks. Don't add that. Because one thing about all these meats, they all take the same amount of time to cook. So we can add all of them, and they take the same amount of time as the beans take to cook. Now go and add that water. And don't add cold water. Go and add some hot water. We ready for these beans. We want 25-30 minutes after these beans hit that stove, we want them to be boiled. So go and add hot water. However hot the water come out of your faucet, just add straight hot water. And make sure that when you add that water at least 2 inches above that meat. Not the meat that's gonna be floating, but the meat that's just sitting down. We need that water 2 inches above that. Because we don't never want to have to add water to these beans no more. Once we add this water, that's the last time you're going to add water. Stir that up, you're good to go. Now go and add your seasoning on there. I prefer Tony Sassery, but you can put whatever seasoning you want. It's on you. Go and add your parsley flakes to that. I love parsley flakes, so I added to just about everything I could. Add your garlic. Like I said, you can get the minced garlic, and you can cheat like I cheat, or you can cut your own garlic, however you want to do it. Same thing. Go and add your onion and bell pepper, and put that pot on the stove. It's ready to go. Stir all that up. Now it's time to babysit. And you're gonna babysit that pot to prevent it from sticking, most definitely. So stir it. Don't go watch TV. Don't go get yourself caught up in anything. Ain't nothing more important than them beans right now. 30 minutes later, come back, stir it. Inspect your meat. Take a look at everything. And just keep stirring it. You gotta be invested in this pot. If you're not invested in these beans, you'll find out the hard way. So just keep coming back, stirring. You're gonna see that I got an hour later, hour 15 minutes later. Trust me, I was here before that. I'm just showing y'all them times, but I stirred them beans. I babysit them. But as you see, an hour later, things starting to look good. You know, the fat starting to separate from the pigtails and all the other pork that's in there. Pot is boiling. the tripe looking good. Ooh, the smoked turkey necks looking good too. So to stir them beans. One bean burn, I don't want to touch it because I don't like scorched beans. Mess with the whole pot. So to stir that. That looks good. Oh yeah. It's not ready, but it looks good. Alright, 2 hours later, as you can see, the gravy is starting to get thick. The pigtails are starting to separate, and but they're not coming off the bone. So all the meat is still on the bone. I don't like surprise bones in my beans. So the way we cooking this, as you see 3 hours later, you can take any one of the meats out of that pot and they still have all the meat on the bones. Ain't no bones on that spoon. That's 3 hours later. And you guessed it, them beans are done. So now you know what time it is. It's time to add the Earl Campbell to it. The beans are hot and still on a low fire now. Add them Earl Campbell, stir it up, let it sit for like 10 minutes tops. And I guarantee you stir that up, stir them beans. 15 minutes, you ready to eat. Just stir them up. Beans still hot, they don't have to be boiling because they're already hot. So just stir them Earl Campbell's or whatever, sausages, Eckrich, whatever you use. Admire your work. The beans are done. That's the 5 meat red beans right there. Oh yeah, that bowl right there, that was mine. I ate that, most definitely. Real good. So I hope y'all like the channel. Thank y'all for watching. Like and subscribe.